Hello everyone! Oh man, I'm freaking alive. So this is my third attempt at making a vlog. And you know what to say, third time's a charm. I have been out of commission the past 5 days because I had strep throat. And what a time to be getting sick, isn't it? Like, come on, body. You gotta play me like that? So, I missed a couple days of work. Ugh. Oh, okay. Wow, got distracted there. So what was I saying? Yeah, I missed a couple days of work. And I'm now getting back in the groove of things. I'm learning everything online. So the entire process of the training and stuff and getting things to do, I'm learning everything online and it's freaking me out. I wish I could be more helpful to everyone I'm working with, but I'm just learning as things come along. But yeah, so I haven't really been doing much. I've just been laying in bed because I literally felt like I was in my deathbed. Here's the thing when I get sick. Okay, I'm pretty sure David's the one that got me sick. Of course, he's always the one getting me sick. It's always him because he gets sick easily, but he will recover just as easily. Like, he'll feel sick for like 2 days and then that's it. Sometimes even just like one full 24 hours. But for me, when I get sick, it's like I get sick. Like, I'm out for a week if I get ill. And it's not fair. So, I have learned that my body is weak as hell. And I really need to focus on strengthening my immune system because this is not okay. Because the last time I got sick was in November and I was also very sick. I pretty much had bronchitis and that lasted like a full 7 days and it was hell. And usually I don't really get sick that quickly. Like, I mean, it's a few months, but I feel like that's still pretty back-to-back-ish for me at least. And I just need to work on that vitamin C, you guys. It's not a joke, but today I'm going to work on some homework assignments because now both of my classes are all online. Just finished a midterm last night. So I am anticipating that result. And I'm gonna tidy up this apartment because it's a hot freaking mess. I feel like all I do is wake up, eat, work, study, clean, go back to sleep, wake up, eat, work, study, go back to sleep. That's just been my life ever since, I don't know, God, it's probably been like 6 years now. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let's just get the day started. I'm having pizza for breakfast because I'm an adult and I can make adult decisions, okay? Don't come for me.
Let's go up. If we are here to educate these incredibly wonderful, beautiful kids.
Left to rise, was like crazy. Everybody's trying, just tell my lady. Spiders in the mirror and things can be right. Back to the scene of a Friday night, to the blessed collision, still frozen tight. Spill drink as Cupid and the sound of her first child. And why did you argue? Dreaming of those eyes, best part of my life. And when we make love, babe, the world don't make a sound. The clock won't turn around.
Okay, so you guys saw me make some chorizo and eggs and rice and beans. We had that for lunch. David's at work, but he just stopped by to eat. And now I'm gonna make a Filipino dessert called buko pandan. I just had half of the ingredients from the last time I made it for a work potluck. So a couple weeks ago when we stopped by the Asian store, I bought the other remaining, and now I'm coming around to actually making it. So if you're interested, here is the cheat sheet to making it. If I could focus, come on. Is it focused? Okay, so this is the pandan jelly. So it's already made. You can definitely make it yourself, but this already has the pandan flavor, so it makes things really easy. And when you make it yourself, obviously, I feel like it's a lot more flavorful, and it has, I don't know, just more flavor to it, but whatever. But I took the easy way out, and I'm going to just use the canned version. And you need sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, this thing called kaong, which is a sugar palm and syrup. I don't really know how to explain it, but it's like a harder jelly. And then some young coconut coconut strings in syrup. And then you also need some coconut gel, which I have some in my fridge already actually, but I didn't have enough. So I'm gonna use the rest of this and then add a little bit of the other can I have. When I was a kid, I used to just like eat it straight out of the can. It was my favorite, but it's also very bad for you. So I'm just gonna show you guys the process. Here we go. So I'm just gonna cut this in half to make it easier to slice. So I like to kind of just cut it in 1/2-inch size cubes, or as much of a cube as you can. That's as good as that's gonna get. I wanted to make it a little bit smaller, but it's okay. Wow. Okay. Should I put it in the fridge? Boom, boom, boom. I don't take measurements. I just like use the whole can, basically, of each ingredient, but you know, I'm sure you can find a recipe online that has all the ingredients and all the details and stuff, but I just pour everything in one bowl. There we go. Pour this in there. So if you can't already tell, this is a really, really, really sweet dessert. What you can do is water it down if it's too sweet, or you can cut the condensed milk in half. But the downside is that it kind of takes away from the texture. So I'm just going to strain it out because it's just way too sweet if I put all the syrup in there too. Okay, there's that. Pour that in there. Okay, that's not opening and this is not opening. So I'm going to wait until... Let me try one more time. Yep, I'm gonna wait until David gets home to do that. And then I'm just gonna mix the rest of this. And sometimes you would even put food coloring. Generally, people would also put the pandan flavor. But since I already have like the pandan jelly flavor in it, I kind of opted out for that. But also, couldn't find it. I mean, if I would have found it at the Asian store, probably would have bought it, but they didn't have it there. To find the most of the supplies, I would suggest going to a Filipino store specifically, but yeah. So I got kind of lazy with cutting the little jellies, but it is what it is. I'm out of saran wrap, but I think this should be enough to cover it. Yes, perfect. This saran wrap kind of sucks, so it's not sticking to my bowl, but it will do. Into the fridge we go. And there you have it, buko pandan. And I'm just gonna snack on that later. My mid-afternoon snack. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and see what assignments I need to do today for a couple of my classes. And continue to tidy up. You know, cleaning is like a whole process for me. I usually typically get distracted, so I need like all day to do it. But let me show you guys. I cleared out my desk space. This is what it looks like now. And I decluttered. I moved all the groceries from here that's been sitting here for like a whole week. Those are the sheets that I basically low-key dyed in, so I have to wash those. Random dishes just everywhere, no big deal. Here's Fendi. So it's a little bit cleaner than before, which is nice. I got a monitor from Amazon. It was like $89. It was on sale. And I just used the HDMI cord, connected it to my laptop for work so that I can actually have a bigger screen and function with it. I moved this calendar that was previously over there just because I feel like it's more useful here anyway in my, you know, desk space. So yeah, and I might move the bulletin board, but I can't decide. I most likely will, I feel like, but that's a lot of work for now. But yep, that's pretty much been the day. Very exciting. It's the end of the day. Oh wait. And I just have to show you guys what I whipped up. You know, no biggie. Look at my chicken and biscuits. Okay, if it could just focus. Please focus. Okay, there we go. Yummy. And then I made David his version. Rice and beans and some jalapenos. Could you be any more Mexican? No one wants to see your tattoos. Anyway, I'm still excited to try it. If I can just sit down. You don't like the chicken? You don't like it?
No, I'm kidding. It's good. I'm just kidding. It's good.
You can tell me if you don't like it. That's it's the signature flavor is the hair.
I think it's close.
Try this out.
Hey, little man. It's your dad. Daddy's here. And everything's gonna be okay. You know, you're named after my dad.
Bit salty.
He's gonna take good care of you.
Otherwise delicious.